Hi everyone, in this presentation we'll discuss four methods of estimating: expert judgment, analogous, parametric, and activity-based estimating. The PMBOK defines estimating as a quantitative assessment of the likely amount or outcome of projects. The first type of estimate we'll look at is expert judgment. This is when you ask an expert what they think, someone who has proven success on similar projects or is considered an industry master. Your expert can be external or internal to your organization. As long as they have the knowledge and experience you need, their insights can help you estimate appropriately on duration, effort, and more. The second estimating technique is known as analogous estimating. This estimating technique leverages similar or like projects to develop an estimate. In other words, this technique uses analogies of projects similar to the projects being estimated. In order for analogous estimating to be successful, the estimator needs to know the scope and schedule of the like project as well as the actual cost. If the project is different in scale, the estimate must be adjusted to meet the standards. The third technique is parametric estimating. This uses specific mathematical formulas to come up with estimates. For example, if you're planning to develop a rocket, there are specific aerospace engineering formulas that help estimate the total thrust required to carry specific payloads into the atmosphere, as well as many other standards such as the NASA Cost Estimating Handbook. This type of estimating is very accurate if you have correct inputs in the data for the industry-specific formulas. Next, we'll learn about the bottom-up estimate. This model of estimating leverages costs from the lowest levels of the WBS, which are ultimately summarized at the macro level. Because this method is dependent upon the WBS, it's critical to have accurate task details, which will lead to very accurate estimates. Finally, this week you'll learn about the program evaluation and review technique, or PERT estimating. This type of estimate is often associated with expert judgment and can also be associated with the bottom-up estimating technique. Basically, instead of receiving one estimate, three estimates are developed to describe the pessimistic, most likely, and optimistic costs for each task. Or you can develop a PERT estimate by asking three different people for their estimate for a task or set of tasks. Once you have the three estimates, the PERT formula is applied, which is optimistic plus 4 times the most likely plus pessimistic divided by 6. This will provide you the PERT estimate. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Remember, each of these methods should be a tool in your toolbox. They will help you move away from treating estimates as an art and more as a science based upon standards and objectives. Finally, as a matter of practice, remember to document and plan how you derive your project estimates. This is so you can properly manage any risks associated with them and have a historical record of the numbers. It also makes it much easier to update your numbers as the projects progress. Good luck in estimating, and I'll see you in class.